Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to connect your YouTube fans to your Patreon and boost your support, good news, it's super simple. Follow this quick guide to add your Patreon link to your YouTube channel and videos. So, the first thing that we need to do is to copy your Patreon link. To do this, go to patreon.com, log into your account, click on profile or your profile picture and go to creator page. Copy the URL from the address bar. It should look like patreon.com/your username. Next, you need to add your Patreon link to your YouTube channel. To do this, go to youtube.com and log in. Click your profile picture at the top right, then click YouTube Studio. On the left menu, click Customization, then click Basic Info. Scroll down to the Links section. Click Add Link. Enter the link title, like for example, Support Me on Patreon, and paste your Patreon URL. You can choose to display it on your channel banner too under Links on Banner, then select how many links show. For the step 3, you can go ahead and add Patreon link in video descriptions. When uploading a new video or editing an old one, scroll to the description box, write a short call to action like love my content, support me on Patreon, then paste your Patreon link after the text, then save the changes. This one is optional, which is you can pin a comment with your Patreon link. After publishing a video, go to the comments section, write a comment with your Patreon link, post it, then click the three dots on the right side of the comment, select pin so it stays at the top. For best results, you can make your call to action inviting and short. Mention your Patreon in your videos naturally, like for example, check the link in the description, or offer exclusive content or rewards on Patreon to encourage signups. Adding your Patreon to YouTube only takes a few minutes, but can make a big difference in growing your community and getting support. Good luck and happy creating! Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.